Hello, it's Miss Hake back with some numeracy. We are still on lucky number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You got it. We're going to practice writing the number 7 and the word 7. And then we're going to make 7 out of Play-Doh. Ooh, fun. All right. So you're going to get a dot to dot or a tracer page. You're going to go across and down. 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 Let's see if our hand can remember that. Across and down, across and down, across and down. You got it. Across and down, across and down. Beautiful. Now we're going to do the word 7. It starts with a S, and we know that sound is an S. We start here. S. Beautiful. Eh, eh, eh. We were learning about the eh, the E, V, 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 eh, 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 E, n. We know that an airplane makes a n sound, and that's the lowercase n. Now, see if you can get some Play-Doh, and I want you to try to create a Play-Doh 7 in this space here. Looks like I need 2 straight lines. I'm going to go back to my snake making ways. Woo! Across and down. Across and down. How'd I do? I might give it 7 little polka dots with the end of my pencil or the end of my paintbrush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How much fun is that? You can make more 7s and keep poking 7 holes in them if you want. All right, have fun, and I will see you soon. Bye.